So the filling has begun. We have this poly tubing. Now the unfortunate part, it was 8 feet or 6 feet too short, probably about 8 feet too short. But we put this on the highest corner. We'll put another poly bag just 8 feet worth to fill in that gap. This is filling up with water, as you can see. And what it does is it just goes down. I've got that outlined on the outline of the plastic. Make sure it's fully on the plastic as we go down. And you got to keep an eye on it a little bit. Make sure it doesn't roll off your bottom plastic. And what it'll do is it'll just fill up into a tube. After about one night of sub-freezing, you'll get a nice big tube of ice. And it's heavy, and it'll be about 8 inches tall, and it'll be pretty close to watertight against the plastic bag on the bottom, so we can start filling the main rink. And now, luckily, we are on a well, and so all we have to pay for is electricity. Other people, this might be a little bit too spendy, but there's thousands of gallons in these things. Should we fix that, Finn? Yeah. We've got a twist in the tube here, and I think Finley's right. We need to fix that, and we can.